What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and today we're going to be looking at a brand new playset. I was just able to get this at Target not too long ago, maybe like 2 or 3 days ago. And this thing's actually pretty rare, so this is the first one I saw, and we got it. So today we're going to be looking at the Monster Jam Flip and Slip set. I think that's what it's called. Well, the Flip set with Alien Invasion. Let's take a closer look at this thing. Alright, so this is obviously the Flip set. I don't know the name of it. I lost the box already because I opened it. But you guys know what I'm talking about. It's the Alien Invasion Flip set, and this thing is really cool. So, sorry I'm not in my normal studio, but I don't have a really good studio, and this thing's like huge, so like I can't fit it in there. So this is what's gonna have to do. But yeah, this is pretty cool. This is something I didn't even know what was gonna come out or anything like this. I didn't think it was gonna be a set like this, but it is cool. So, of course, you get the truck here. You get Alien Invasion. This thing is really sweet, and if you see my Alien Invasion review for Mix 4, I compare that truck with this truck, and this thing's really cool. I mean, I like Alien Invasion. It's a cool looking truck. Like I said in that video, this one does differ a little bit from the Mix 4 single, which isn't too bad. I do like the Mix 4 single over this one, just because it's blue and like it's weird, but since this goes with the blue container, obviously this goes with it, so like, you know, the blue matches here. But the truck by itself, like if this was just a single, I wouldn't really be too big on the colors for it. But one cool thing you notice with this set is this little spinny thing right here. And you can put the truck on it, or you can just put any truck on it, actually, as I can't get the truck on it. Alright, there we go. So, basically that's pretty cool, and you can just spin the truck around like this, or there's a little thing over here you could hit and make it do cyclones and everything, which is really, really cool. So, obviously I got this truck, or I got this set just for the truck too, and also for the ramps and everything. So, this thing, putting this together was not hard. It was just very, like, weird. I don't know how to explain it. But, yeah, so let's crack this thing open here. And this thing opens really easily, as I'm trying to do it with one hand, so that's why I'm struggling. But the top pops up just like that. Very simple. And then you see the mechanism for the spinning thing for the truck. And the cool thing that Spin Master did is you can actually put any truck on that. So it doesn't have to be like a weird truck, as you see on the bottom of this. It's a normal chassis to like any truck. As I have someone right here. Yep. I got a Fire and Ice truck, but as you can tell, you can put any truck on that, and it can easily just go right on it, which is pretty cool. So yeah, moving on to this. This thing comes in a couple pieces. If you're a little younger, or if like you're not too big on putting these things together, I would have your parents or whatever put it together. But it's very easy. Oops, as I just, yeah, that happens. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I like this set. This is pretty sweet to say the least. So this is really all it is, and that's really it. Did I break that, or did I just come off? So anyway, if you could see the connectors right there, they're like those little bubbles. That's how this whole set goes together, and you kind of just like slide it in, and it kind of pops in when it wants to. You hear it click, or you feel it click. Looks like I may have screwed that up, but that's okay. But yeah, all right, there we go. It's in, kind of. But yeah, this is really cool. I like the little crush cars right here. This is a nice little added touch. I like the blue. The whole container is pretty cool because it's a cool like decoration piece as well. And the one thing I haven't really tried to see if this thing... that was pretty cool. Didn't really see if this thing can actually do like a backflip off this. I don't think it can do it off this one here. I don't want to push it too hard, but we'll give it a good push. All right. So this side, I kind of messed it up, I guess, putting it together. I don't really know, but as you can tell, it just folds right up. It doesn't like me. Alright, well, that's okay. This ramp right here, this is the actual backflip ramp, I believe. So let's see if this can actually go and do a backflip, which would be kind of cool. And knock it over. But yeah, this has been sitting around a little bit, and I haven't played with it, but my son's been playing with it, so it's a little broken in, if you will. But yeah, this is a cool little set. I like it. It's pretty cool, as I can't get a backflip for the life of me going here. Let's try this again. Alright, enough of that. But you guys know what I'm trying to say with that. So one cool thing is it does fold up very easily. I don't know what happened to this side. And then you got the crushed cars over here, which is really cool. Now, I thought this was like a rubber right here. No, it's not. It's actually all plastic. So, I mean, the truck does go down it, and it does, I mean, you can't really push it up it, but you can push it down it or let it roll down the set, which is pretty cool. Yay. But yeah, all in all, oh my god, that piece just does not like me. This is actually a weird piece too, because you gotta like clip them in. As you can tell, I didn't really get them in that great, but everything folds up, and mainly I'm probably just gonna use this as like a background piece for the racing league or whatever. And another cool thing with this too is this truck is exclusive, right? So you can actually put the truck in here and take the truck with you, which is cool. I think the truck has to be upside down. Oh my god, that piece is just not dealing with me right now. I think that's the way. No. Let's see. We're in this together here. There we go. And then you just kind of like close it. But that one piece, I don't know what I did with it. I think it's all messed up, but it's alright. You guys get the gist of it. I mean, I'm probably honestly going to get another one in the set just because I like how it's a dumpster or a container, if you guys will. And you can really have some cool ideas with this thing. At least background, jumping over, or something cool like that. So, it is cool. I do like the set. As you can tell, though, it's very flimsy, especially right here. I don't know if I put it on right and it, like, just snapped or wore down. But you can tell it's very, it won't stay in. Oh, did we get it? We may have gotten it. Alright, we got it. There we go. Whatever. I mean, it is what it is. It's a pretty cool set. Well worth the money. These are actually on sale right now. This thing is actually, I think, 16 bucks at Target's. So if you guys are lucky enough to find one at Target, I would highly recommend it. Recommend picking it up. And yeah, that's going to basically do it for the review here. I didn't really want to make a long video about this because there's really not that much to say. But for a playset that you can just fold up and everything and, you know, quick on the go, and you get a pretty cool exclusive truck, it's worth it, in my opinion. It really is. I mean, I kind of wish it went together a little better, but, you know, it is what it is. But, yeah, guys, that's going to do it for the flip set. Really cool. I enjoy it. My son enjoys it, as you can tell. It's kind of... I can't get the back foot at all. Let's try this one more time. Nope. Maybe one more time. Last one for the video. Come on, let's make it count. Yeah, we got it. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to leave on that note, and yeah, I'll see you guys in another video, and if you guys can find this set, I've only seen one, and you guys see it right here. So I'll see you guys in another video, and yeah, like, subscribe, and yeah, just comment below. I'll see you guys in another video.